Hello kids! This is Teacher James Lee. Today, we will learn the color yellow. This is yellow. And here are the things that are yellow. The sun is yellow. What's the color of the sun? The balloon is yellow. What's the color of the balloon? The candle is yellow. What's the color of the candle? The lemon is yellow. What's the color of the lemon? The mango is yellow. What's the color of the mango? The clock is yellow. What's the color of the clock? The pineapple is yellow. What's the color of the pineapple? The banana is yellow. What's the color of the banana? The kite is yellow. What's the color of the kite? The yo-yo is yellow. What's the color of the yo-yo? Well done, kids! You want to learn more? See you on my next video. Bye-bye!